Hey guys, welcome back to the MSR workshop. So I have got a secret to tell you about the Umarex Notos that is not talked about a lot. I don't know if anybody actually knows that they did an update to this that you need to know about. So the Umarex Notos was featured in my last video. If you haven't got a chance to watch that, you can click on the link above. But the secret feature that I'm going to talk about today, which I think Umarex updated, but they haven't told any about, is a degassing screw. Yes, that is right. There is a degassing screw on this gun that makes it super simple and quick to degas your gun and actually take the tank off in case you want to mess with the regulator. So I'm going to zoom in here and show you what I'm talking about. So if you're looking at your Umarex Notos, I want you to look down the left side of your gun and you're going to notice this little silver screw here. Now I've watched quite a few videos online. A number of videos have not included this screw. Now this is part number 66, which is this block right here. This block is replaceable. So I bet most people could actually call up Umarex and say, hey, I would like part 66 with the updated degassing screw. Because this screw right here degasses your gun. All you have to do is take it, put your little Allen wrench in it, back it out until your tank is completely empty. Now the Allen wrench size that I used is a 2.5 millimeter Allen screw. Once this is degassed, you can simply tighten that back in and then go ahead and grab your tank and you should be able to screw it right off. As simple as that. But yes, part 66 is what you want. Since they've updated part number 66, I don't know if it's still called part number 66 with the updated degassing screw on it, but that makes it super simple. So if you want to do any maintenance on your gun and you have to take the tank off, if you want to mess with the regulator, all of those features, this guy right here is what you're looking for. Degassing screw on the Umarex Notos. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know a lot of you are going to find that super helpful because these guns are really popular right now and more companies are coming out with aftermarket parts. They even come out with an aftermarket tank. Well, one of the things you got to be able to do before you work on your gun, replace O-rings, just tinker with it, maybe mess with the regulator, is degas the tank. Because these little tanks on here don't have a shut-off valve and you need to let the air out of the chamber right here, this is going to be really handy. I will try to find a phone number for Umarex as well as a part number and leave it in the link below. But if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, or just want to hit me up and say, hey, what do you think about this? Be sure and leave them below. As well as don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And until next time, guys, thanks again.